Congratulations! You've successfully completed the Adapy Dealer Training Series. Your dedication and hard work have equipped you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel with our products. Remember, you're not just selling a product. You're providing a solution that enhances lives and brings convenience to your customers. But this is just the beginning. Our training area will continue to grow and evolve, bringing you the latest updates, new products, and advanced techniques. We encourage you to revisit the training area regularly. Stay ahead with the newest content and keep your skills sharp. We also encourage you to gather testimonials from your customers. Their positive experiences with Adapy products can inspire others and build trust in what we offer. Thank you for being a valued part of the Adapy family. We're committed to your success and are here to support you every step of the way. Once again, congratulations on completing your training. We look forward to seeing you back soon. Keep up the great work, and let's continue to make a difference together.